you're different. You're not normal if you actually do care and you actually spread love and spread good vibes and smiles. So try your best to be different. Peace. Elite Landscape Style. Welcome back, Warriors. Another episode, Elite Landscapes Life Stories. Today we're in our fall trim back seasons, and we're going to go to this property and trim everything back. Starting off with these beautiful blue road junipers, and they just get a nice little crew cut and a cleanup on them. Tyler's going through and getting all the wire grass that's grown up in those. We all know that wire grass loves those junipers, which is why I do not include them in my new designs that I put in. So, got tons of golden mops, nandinas, and trees. I got a couple trees that I got to prune back in size, and it's going to be significant reduction as much as I can. So, let's go up here to the front and I'll show you what we got. I was there yesterday by myself. So up front, we did a new landscape, I don't know, last year before last, and used to have really tall stuff on both sides, which was a crowd and everything. So we put in these knockout roses that did really good this year. They didn't get the attack that the roses do get. I don't really know the name of it, but we sprayed them and treated them, and they came back nice. So come through here and shape all these golden mops up. That's one of the trees we have to hit. It's a blood good Japanese maple upright and the crepe myrtle. So do some reduction in size on those. Yeah, not a hard job. Like I said, I was out here yesterday by myself, and I'll show you what I got done in the backyard. Backyard's done, so let's check it out. So the golden mop just got a nice little trim haircut. I don't like touching nandinas this time of year because they kind of bling out the color. So this is my trimming and cleanup session from yesterday. Turned out really nice. And yeah, there was a lot of growth on these things, but yep, got it all squared away. Because like I said, the nandinas, these little guys were nothing after the winter time last year. So I have a full trim video on this house back in the winter time or early spring, and these nandinas had nothing. I didn't even think they were going to live, but it's proof that God and Mother Nature, they know how to make things work. Even when we look at stuff and think there's no value in it, no worth, a lot of people view other people like that, and that's a huge mistake for all of us to do, because we all have worth. Those plants almost got ripped out because I didn't have patience to see what was going to happen. Now they're beautiful again. Let me show you the rest. The forsythia, they bloom out first. They're the yellow blooming shrubs that you see everywhere in the springtime. Yeah, turned out really nice. I like it. Along with the cherry trees that bloom out early also. So, we probably got a good 6-7 hours of trim work here, if not a little bit more, both of us. And just another day in paradise. After this place, we'll be going to this beautiful house right here behind us in another video coming up. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell, that way you don't miss out on the videos when they come out. Let's go. So yeah, that's about all I'm gonna do right now in the fall. Still got these left. So we have the hollies and the roses all trimmed back. Got the golden mops trimmed back. And yeah, that's what we do to put in the bed. Shear them back pretty good. Hand snips. We're gonna hit that little hedgerow. Then we're gonna focus on these trees. And yeah, it'd be cool to see the difference between that and what we prune it down to. So stick around. So I went out yesterday and bought myself a new little toy, and it's the Friskers extension pruner. So I'm gonna have Tyler start trimming that crepe myrtle in the back. See how those things work while I'm working on a different tree. Let's do it. So it's 3:30. It feels like 7. I'm exhausted. This time change really kills a man. Anyways, Tyler trimmed up the river birch trees in the front. There's one. Show you the other. There's the other one down there. And I gotta go through and fine tune that. That's a little bit off right there in that corner. So I'm gonna take about 6 inches off that side, level it up some. That's another pain because you know them little pole things are painful. And then my last little duty is that ornamental Japanese maple. So, whew, you know the burn. And yeah, lots of you guys come in the comments saying, hey, it's hard sometimes to get motivated when you come out here and you're already exhausted and it's fall and you got a big cleanup like this in front of you. So, like I just told Tyler, fun times are over, and now I guess I just gotta finish the job. We'll do it. Come on. All right, Warriors. Exhausting day, but everything got accomplished and the place looks pretty good, in my opinion. So I'll touch base when I get back to the house and let you know how much I'm going to charge for this beautiful cleanup that we did, because that's important for you guys to know, right? Let's go. All right, Warriors, back at the lair. I'm going to make this real quick and real simple. We had 8 hours worth of trimming and cleanup involved in that front yard and backyard. I'm charging $120 per hour, and 8 times 120 is $960. All right, and then you throw in the tree work, and the tree work's a little bit specialty service, so I do charge a little bit more for that. So we're gonna take those 5 trees that we did. The real big crepe myrtle at the window was the most expensive because it was the most time taking and labor intensive. Altogether, those 5 trees are gonna say $500, and the grand total when you add a $120 dump fee comes out to $1,580. And yeah, not too bad for a fall income when there's no grass to mow, and you have clients that want you to do all these services year round. They don't want to think about it, they just want to have it done. All I did was send out my email, my text saying, hey, I'm going to come out here this week sometime to do the fall trimming as always. Do you have any special requests? They threw in those tree trimmings and the back big evergreen bush in the back on the the deck. All right, the back deck evergreen. Phew. I'm exhausted, guys. My apologies. So at any rate, be good if you can. Always be kind. Above all, love each other, guys. The world around you is kind of cruel sometimes, and you're different. You're not normal if you actually do care and you actually spread love and spread good vibes and smiles. So try your best to be different. Peace. Elite Landscape style.